Season patterns are becoming unpredictable. Storms are more ferocious. Sea levels are rising. Climate change is happening. Don't think so? Check out the Weather Channel. Better yet, look out your window. Scientific data can be found on the subject if you look hard enough. Skip the federal EPA website, though. The pages are being updated to reflect the new administration's thoughts on environmental issues. Scary. When you do find the information, it can be conflicting and confusing. Even if you can make heads or tails out of it all, the compound effects feel futuristic, but make no mistake, climate change is happening. I'm not a scientist. I'm a well-researched, concerned undergraduate learning about how we got here and what is happening in the environment today. I will have a bachelor's degree in environmental policy and management in the beginning of the next year. During this journey, my grade point average continues to remain above 3.85. In order to maintain this average, I have done intense research surrounding the topic of climate change. The question looms heavily. Are human beings contribute to making climate change run on a fast track? Well, let's see. Do we consider humans a superior being? Is the belief we have control over our surroundings in existence? Do we pride ourselves on having an influence on everything we touch? Then how is it some deny the fact that human actions are affecting the speed of the changing climate? Ignorance is bliss? Old habits die hard. One person can't make a difference? Where do we start? Everyone could do one thing. Choose and commit to changing one lifestyle routine. Just one. One drop times 1 million times 1 million collectively is a sea. Take a look at what happened this April during the People's Climate March demonstrations. Leonardo DiCaprio was one drop marching hand in hand with Native Americans in Washington, D.C. You could shop and consume products that use less intense resources contributing to pollution. Or you could use utilities conservatively from renewable sources. What about becoming a spokesperson to help create the sea of change? Find one thing you can continue to do. You don't need to be a scientist to know that climate change is happening. The responsibility to take notice is everyone's. If we don't take the blinders off, nothing else will matter. Nothing. We are a powerful species, like a hurricane gathering strength when the masses come together. Everything you do makes a difference, good or bad. The future is what we make it. Clean air to breathe, fresh water to drink, safe places to sleep. What are you waiting for? Catastrophe? We can either act or react. Either way, change is coming. Mother Nature is a force to be reckoned with, and we have made her angry. Use those handy-dandy electronics we all own and find out what your one commitment will be. It can be overwhelming, but remember, millions of one things equals a monumental impact in the right direction for a more secure future. The Leonardo DiCaprio Foundation has plenty of information. Yes, I do like Leo. A little too much about his film career on the website, but he does hold the title of UN Messenger of Peace with a special focus on climate change. Find, pick, commit to one environmentally productive habit. The future of this planet is in our hands right now. This is my future. Bottom line, quote from Joel Pett. What if it is a big hoax and we make the world a better place for nothing?